This is the Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver. Learn how to use it to clean and care for your brushes so they last longer and perform better. It removes oils, acrylics, watercolors, stains, and varnishes from your finest sable, bristle, nylon, and synthetic brushes. Start by wiping excess paint off your brush. This makes cleaning more effective. Next, wet your brush and work up a rich lather directly on the cake in the container. Work it in gently to lift paint from deep in the bristles. Rinse, then repeat the lathering process until the brush is completely clean. After rinsing, reshape the tip to maintain its original form and snap. To dry, hanging the brush's bristles down is best. Otherwise, lay them flat. This encourages water to drain away from the ferrule and helps preserve the bristle binding. Don't store them upright while wet. Water can loosen the glue in the ferrule. For hardened or dried brushes, let the lather sit on the bristles. Rinse once they soften, and repeat if needed. The Masters isn't just soap, it's a preservative. To preserve your brushes after cleaning, gently work the soap into the bristles, reshape the brush tip, and allow it to dry with the soap on. It gives off no harmful fumes or odors, and it's safe for use in the classroom or studio. If you want your brushes to last, learning to clean them right is the first step. The Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver makes it easy.